Hey y'all, Cheryl here today. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about my eBay store, and we're going to talk about empty boxes and bags. And I watched Kat on the Nurse Flipper, and she mentioned that people buy boxes, empty boxes and things like that. And I was like, really? But believe it or not, I did sell two things that were empty. I sold an empty Tiffany box, and to show you that up there, that's what I sold. I think $8 or something. And then I recently sold, I don't have it so I can't show you, but I can post it up here. It's the How to Train Your Dragon tote bag, and it's kind of similar to this one, which I have posted. And this is a Jurassic Park one. So I figured since both movies are out, why not? This is still new with the tag. It might have a little bit of wrinkly in it, but it's a good bag. So I posted that. So if anybody's interested. And let's see. Oh, okay. This is a Joe Malone of London. Could be a gift or perfume bag. A little box bag. It's a sturdy, and I've posted that, and you can see up there if you're interested in this little box. If you buy your girl some perfume but you don't have a bag, there you go. And this one I thought was interesting. I don't remember where I got it from, but anyway, it's like a little, almost like a little purse, y'all. It's Marilyn Monroe Forever Fabulous Morgan Taylor Professional Nail Lacquer. And let me look inside. I posted up here so you guys can see how much. I mean, this stuff is just sitting in my closet, so if I can get $1 or $2, that's $1 too. I didn't have, look. See? I left all the little red, what do you call this stuff? I don't know, but anyway, I left it in there for whoever wants to buy. First in one. And I was saving these boxes. I don't know why. Like I said, I'm a hoarder. But this is a jewelry box, I guess, or it could be something else, a bracelet, necklace. But I don't know if any of you guys remember, you can see, remember the store, the Heck Company? Which I think is now owned by Macy's. Yeah, I used to love that store. I'd get all my work clothes from there. So I still had that. This is a vintage box. I've had this box, I know, before I moved here for a fact. So at least over 20 years. So it's a vintage box. This one, I'm not sure where I got it, this particular box from. This is a Land's End box. Now, I've not seen one before. And I don't have a clue of where I got this from. But anyway, it could be a jewelry box, maybe a small watch, necklace. So that's what that is. And then this one is a PlayStation. I believe my son said it was a PlayStation controller box. It's empty. I have no use for it. If somebody buys a controller and they don't have a box, if somebody buys a controller and they don't have a box, then here you go. So that's the inside. He said that they had something else that covered the top of the box, but he didn't have that anymore. This has a nice little bag in it. I'm just going to sell the box. I need this bag. You see what I'm talking about as far as hoarding? This is a Bulgari box. And this came with perfume. And this is a vintage one. This one I know I've had for over 20 years. And I don't know the diameter of it. Hold on. Let me show you the inside. So, I don't think I posted this yet because I was gonna try to find out the diameter. But there you go. It had a soap in here, a lotion, and a perfume, and some body gel. All right. Next, I have this bag that I got from Universal Studios. If anybody's been, as soon as you come in, there's the Bubba Gump Shrimp Company restaurant. And this is from 2013 or no, it says 2015, so I got this in 2017. But it's a restaurant and market. So it's a bag, and someone else posted this too. I thought, why not? Somebody might need this. But this is the bag that the Harry Potter wand comes in. Masters of Fine Wands since 382 BC. And it was at Ollivanders. So yeah, I posted that up there so you can see that. And Universal Studios, this is a vintage bag. I got this one 2013 or 2017. This is a Universal Orlando Resort bag. It has Spider-Man, Shrek, Hulk, SpongeBob, Donkey. Looks like it. Yeah. That's it. And so I got that posted, and I'll show you up there. And this box here is a Nordstrom. This is also could be used for earrings. It has the cotton in it. Yep, it even says, please reuse this box. This is a vintage Nordstrom box, 20 years or more. And let's see, I have two more boxes. I haven't posted yet, but I will. I have to get the labels off. Anyway, this is a Galaxy S24 box for a telephone. So somebody might want a box. Oops, to put the phone in. I left all the pieces in there. You buy a phone online and it doesn't come with a box, and you want to give it as a gift, then you have a box. So there you go. And the other box I have to get the labels off is this is a Galaxy Tab S7 FE. I gotta get the tags off, but I'm gonna be posting this box as well, because it's just sitting here, and if people buy boxes, why not? And I think that's all I have for today to show you that I have posted. Next video I'll show you of what's sold. Okay, take care, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.